Hey guys, doing a collection update, part 1. Figured I'll let you guys see which vacuum cleaners I have. So, I do have my Dirt Devil Hand Vac Plus. However, it has a bad motor. If you want to know what it sounds like, just go check in my back in my channel. I have a video of it running, but it has a bad motor. So, starting off with my Simplicity, I got this from Grandma on Christmas some years ago. And I'll give you guys a run of it. Has great suction for a hand vac. Here's my Dyson. Had this pretty much the longest out of any other vacuum cleaner I have right now. This isn't the first one I got. I had another one of those with a good motor, and something happened to it. Let's have the Dyson running. Just vacuumed with the Kirby. I vacuumed the carpets with the Kirby earlier. The Dyson can't literally get anything. I just didn't see anything in his canister. Oh, what a shock, Dyson. What a shock. Here's my G5. Very first Kirby I owned. Got it from the grandma, the same one that gave me that Simplicity. But she gave me this one before that. It's one without the indicator light, so it's a rare. Very nice machine. Has a Centria brush roll in it. I like it. It was like brand new. So I think that's his backstory, and we'll get it going for you. That's the G5. Here's my Centria. It's just got it this year that I made the video, 2016. Got it June 14th. So I got it shortly before this YouTube channel ever started. So I was obsessed with it when I was still kind of into it when this channel started. So this my dad bought brand new when I was in 2nd grade. He has had it ever since. Then it's been finally passed on me this year. And I liked this thing ever since, so I'll give you guys a run to it. This is the Kirby so I've owned the G5 longer, but I've used the Centria longer. I've used the G5 more when this was my dad's, but now it's mine.
Tell me when you're done.
Part 2 will be off the other one I have at my mom's, the Diamond Edition, so stay tuned for that. Bye.